These 10 beginner-friendly yoga asanas along with Surya Namaskara can help manage the symptoms of PCOD and PCOS.
Inhale, reach both the hands up. Exhale, hinge at your hip, fold forward, Padahastasana, right leg back. Ashwasanchalasana, Chaturanga Dandasana. Drop your knees, sit back and stretch. Shashankasana. Ashtanga, elbows close to your body. Your toes, knees, chin and chest. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Again, drop your knees, stretch, Shashankasana. Right leg between your palm, gaze forward. Step between your palm, Padahastasana. Breathe in, nice and slow. Coordinate your breath with your movement. Up and Sthiti. Now bring your right leg towards the right side of the room. Trikonasana, triangle pose. The right heel bisects the arch of your left foot, toes pointing straight ahead. Shift your pelvis towards the left side. Arms in line with your shoulders. And now slowly come down. Spin both your toes forward, heels behind your toes. Breathe in. Star pose. Uttita Tadasana. Hinge at your hips. Fold forward. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Bring the crown of the head in the direction of the mat. You can try to place your toes, tip of your toes, tip of your fingers in one straight line. Bring your gaze and look at the mat. Inhale. Completely exhale. Now press into the earth very slowly. Breathe in and come up. So you're going to take your time when you're coming up. Open your feet wide. Come to Malasana. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out, dropping your tailbone in the direction of the earth. Elbows pushing into your knees. This is very important that you go really wide. Just to get the most out of your pose. Stay here. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Bring your heels as close as possible. Grab hold of your knees. And simply you're going to move your knees up and down. Like a butterfly flapping its wings. Stay there. And every time you're doing that, try to bring your thighs to touch towards the mat or the floor. 5 more of this. 4, 3, 2. It's a very quick movement. And 1. Your leg just rest on your right thigh. If you can, take it really close. Turn and twist. Now bend your right knee. Right foot on the outside of your left. Now turn and twist. So with my left hand, I'm just grabbing my right knee, turning and twisting. Option 1. So if you feel this is comfortable, then you can always hook your elbow on the outside, trying to bring both your shoulders to point in the direction towards the right side of the room. Breathe in, nice twist in your waist. Now bring your legs to either side, or you can go as wide as you want to. Inhale, up, exhale, reach towards your right, then go as close to the earth as possible. Come towards the left and back. Chakri Chalanasana. Reach up. Fold towards your right. Nice compression in your belly. The other side. And lean back slightly. Again, not collapsing here. Keeping straight. Everything tucked in. Your back, your belly. Then come down to lying to get into our bridge pose. The tip of your nose is pointing towards the ceiling. Palms come to rest next to you. Now here, move your heels towards your sit bones or towards your seat so that your fingertips kind of grace the back of your heel. You don't have to place it here, just next to it. Now start lifting your seat off the mat, pressing your thighs together. Just focus on this and then push your knees in the direction of your toes. Don't focus on lifting your belly up yet. Knees in the direction of the toes. Once you do, you can't go any further. Squeeze your seat muscles. Raise up. Setu Bandhasana or bridge. Hands can continue to stay here. Take a breath in. Stay in the pose. Completely breathe out. As you breathe in, see if you can roll your shoulders under. Interlace your fingers beneath your seat. Push the seat up. Gaze towards the ceiling. See if your thighs are falling apart. Press them together. Bring your chest in the direction of your chin and not the other way. Hold. See that you're pressing all the four corners of your feet. Squeeze your glutes. 2 and 1. Very slowly, release your hands. Release your shoulders. Hug your knees towards your chest. Rest your hips on your palms. You can always, take the support of the wall, or you can place a chair and rest your legs along the back of your chair. Stay here. Point your toes away from you, towards you. Just notice the rise and fall of your belly. Bringing your awareness to your breath. As you breathe in, thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you found this class valuable, please like and share. Namaste. I'll see you soon with another video.